The bad seed goes to the library. I may be a bad seed, but I'm in a good mood. Want to know why? Because I'm at the library. It is my favorite place on earth. Oh yeah, it's true. The library has incredible books. It has nice librarians. It has comfortable places to sit and big windows too. La 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 la. I love the library. Shh. Sure, I might accidentally use my outside rules at first. But hey, that's all part of the fun. Shh. Anyway, I wonder which book I will choose. The shelves are packed with lots of great things to read. This one looks good, and so does this, and so does this. Look, I found a book. It seems perfect for me. It is called The Speedy Seed. Now I'm going to find a lovely reading spot. No, too busy. No, too dark. No, too quiet. Ah, yes, this is the spot. This is just right. Haha. Gasp. What? Haha. Well, that was simply best book I've ever read in my life. An instant classic. I'm so glad that it's mine now. I'm keeping it forever. I'm going to read it over and over and over again. La 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 la. I love the library. Shh. 2 weeks later, whoosh, a letter from the library. Wow, it says that my book is due. Somebody else is waiting to check out the Speedy Seed. Who?
What?
What? Why? Excuse me. How did they? This book is mine. Mine. Yes, this is my book, and I'm keeping it forever and ever and ever. The Speedy Seed is so important to me. I don't know what I would do without it. I think I'd feel bad, really bad. I guess it makes sense that the library wants its book back. But will anybody enjoy this book as much as I do? Huh? Will they? I just don't know what to do. I suppose it is important to share good books with other seeds because seeds who read are smart indeed. But is there even another book with reading? What if there isn't? Gasp. I guess I should go find out. Yes, I'm off to the library again. La 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 la. I love the library. Hello, library. Hello, books. Hello, comfy chairs. Sheesh, it is time to return the speedy seed. At last book.
Least
Book. Least I can borrow it again some other day. Here's the fellow who wants the speedy seed. He's been waiting to read it. Yuppie. Boy, oh boy, is he excited. I've made him so happy. I'm a hero, just like the speedy seed. Now I can read something new. Maybe I will find something I like as much as I liked that last book. Maybe I would, but hey, that's the adventure of reading. I can read this or this or that or this or these or those. I wonder which book I will pick. The possibilities are endless. La 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 la. I love the library. Gosh, this is my new favorite book. Oh yeah, it's true. I hope there never wants it book back. 2 weeks later, push, a letter from the library. I wonder what they want. Oh no, not again. Oh no.